Let's do a few DIYs using this wine glass. I'm going to put some pearls inside, and then I took these flowers from outside. I'm going to place it on top, and then I'm going to take one of these, a small glass, and place it inside. It's going to hold it with a little branch. Then I'm going to take my candle and put it inside. Simple to do that you guys can do any color. And then I'm going to take one of these little round glass and attach it to the top as well. Then make sure to put some water and a floating candle. Then I put some round one with the pearls inside, which looks amazing. I think this is something so simple as well. I think it looks so elegant and it's so inexpensive to do. For the next DIY, grab some flour, place it inside, put it upside down, and then take your hot glue and place some hot glue on top, and then put a glass on top, one of those little base on top. Then place some flour, and you're gonna fill it up with flowers. Then put some water, and then go ahead and put more flour, and then just press it down until you continue pressing it down and filling it up with flour until it does the whole thing, and then just add up more water to it. Then after that, you're gonna place your candle on top. This one, I think it's just so beautiful. As you can see, the flower at the bottom on top of the in the middle of the cup, but you can also do it without it, just like this. Not forget to share this video so other people can see all these amazing DIY, and hit the like button. So remember this glass actually we're going to use it a few times. So we're going to take our glass, place it down. I'm going to use this container from Dollar Tree. It's like a candy jar. I'm going to take my hot glue, place some hot glue at the bottom, and then attach it in the middle into place, just like that. Then after I attach it into place, I'm going to grab this light that I have, and I'm going to place it around this. So just go ahead, place your light, and then just go around it like that, and then just continue going around it in a circle like that until you do the whole thing. You're going to take this, I got this little cute little balls flowers, and I got this at Michael's. Then I'm going to place my flower inside. Just go ahead and fill it up with whatever flower colors that you guys are doing or want to do, and then just place it inside. You could also do real flowers in here, so it will look great as well. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and it came out so cute. This could be a home decor, this could be a party decoration. It's up to you how you want to do it. And you also can use it like a little like night lights for the nighttime. So this is how it turns out with the light off, which looks great as well. You decide how you want to use it. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take one of this glass from Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to take one branches, like little branches, is like pink little branches. I'm going to take it apart because I'm just going to use the little branches like that. I'm going to take my hot glue, place a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm going to attach it to the glass like that. Just hold it down until it attach into place. So you're going to attach it to the bottom part, and you're also going to attach it to the top. So make sure to put that on top, and then just attach it into place until it attached. Then you're going to continue attaching your little branches like that, the bottom and top, until you are done attaching the whole glass all the way around it. You're going to take this bling wrap, and I'm going to use the same pearls that I used yesterday, like half a pearls, and I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to attach it to the string. But make sure to attach it just to leave a little gap in between. Don't leave so much space like I did in this one. Just leave like 2 little dots, and then place it down, and then go ahead and continue attaching all the way around it. Then you're going to take your hot glue, place it at the back of the string like that, and then attach it to the glass, and just go ahead and put more hot glue in the middle part, and then attach it to the glass, and then just do the whole thing until you attach the whole thing all the way around it. Once you do, I took one of this candle holder. I'm gonna place some hot glue all the way, and then after I put the hot glue, I'm gonna take the glass, and I'm going to place it on top and attach it into place. Then go ahead and grab your candle and place it inside. And this is how cute, you guys. It turned out so simple and so cute. You could also change the color of the ribbons at the bottom part. Just put, you don't have to put the pearls. You could put pink or whatever color you guys are doing. Or you could also just don't put the candle holder, and then just leave it like that on the floor as well. I think this came out super cute. The first thing I'm going to do is just grab 2 of this glass. I'm going to place one upside down. I'm going to take the other one and put some hot glue and attach it into place. Then after after that, I'm going to spray paint it in gold. And then I'm going to take this string. I'm going to attach it to the top of the glass with hot glue. And then I'm just going to wrap it around like that. And so I'm just going to continue wrapping around all the way around. And then once I do wrapping it around all the way around until I do the whole part all the way to the bottom, I'm also going to do the top that I left a little gap, but you can start from the top and do it right. Then I went ahead and spray painted in white on top. And then I'm going to take the string out. So when you take the string out, this is how it's going to turn out, with white with a little line in gold. Then place some flower. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super cute, super easy, and I think it came out so beautiful. And this one can be like a little home decor, or you can use it for party decoration. You decide which one you want to use it for, either or. I think it will look beautiful. Then for the next one, I'm gonna use the stained glass and pearls, but I took this little candle holder. I'm gonna place some hot glue at the bottom part and place it on top. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and take some flowers and put some hot glue and attach it all the way around the candle holder. Place your candle in from the long one, which I think it also came out super cute as well. Also, as you can see, as the pearl, you could also put some flower inside if you don't want the pearls, or you could also put some marble, like color, a different color marble. I think it will look great as well. Or you could put a tea light if you want a light on the inside of the cup as well. And now for the next DIY, we're just going to go ahead and grab one of these little long glass like that. We're going to put orange inside. And here we're going to put 3 orange inside. Then after you put the orange in there, I'm going to grab some water and place it inside like that. Grab some green branches and flowers. Just going to go ahead and fill it up like that. It's going to be something so simple. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. You can leave it as that. But if you want it to be a little bit more taller, just place something little glass at the bottom, and this is how beautiful it turns out, you guys. I think this came out so cute. Now for the next idea, you're going to use one of the little fishbowl. I'm going to put 2 orange inside. Then I'm going to grab one of these other glass and put 2 orange in there as well. Then place this one right on top and attach it with a little bit of hot glue or E6000. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out once you put the flower inside. So simple and so easy. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take some of these candy jars and I'm going to use apple and lime. So I'm going to place some apple inside, and I'm going to also place some lime. Just fill it up. After you fill it up, I'm going to take this white little tree or branches. I'm going to place it inside, and then just go ahead and fill it up with flowers. These are easy DIY that you guys can do. Pretty simple. Then I'm going to, for the next one, I'm going to take the same candy jar and one of these candle holders. I'm going to attach it in the middle, and then I'm going to put the lime inside like that. And then I'm also going to do the little tree like that. Then just fill it up with flour and place a candle on top like that, and then just fill it out all the way around it with your flowers. For the next idea, I'm going to take one of these jars they have in Dollar Tree. I think it's for ice. I'm going to put lime and apple inside. I'm just going to fill it up. After I fill it up, I'm going to take these branches and I'm going to place 2 of them on each side like that. Just place it inside, and I'm also going to place a little tree and also make sure to put some of the inside of the bottom part so you can show the cute little whites. And then just go ahead and fill it up with flowers. White, you could do any color that you will like. And then I'm going to take a candle holder and place it on top of the apple, and then I'm going to take these candle and place it inside. And for the first DIY, this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. These are like easy DIY that you guys can do at home, and it's so simple and easy decorations for your home decor or party decorations. This one is with the water. You could put a candle on top. It's like a floating candle, and I think it looks super cute, especially with the water inside. And now this is how the other ones turns out. Just simple like that with a candle on top. Just light it up, and it looks super cute and easy to do as well, and it's so inexpensive to do. And then this is the last DIY. We came out super cute. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them.